Welcome to channel. Today we explore finance through the lens of architecture, a journey that connects the design of spaces with the flow of resources and the discipline of managing projects. When we think of architecture, we often imagine grand buildings, bridges, or cultural landmarks, yet behind every structure lies a story of planning, allocation, and sustainability that mirrors the principles of finance in ways that are subtle but deeply influential. Architecture begins with vision and finance begins with purpose. Both require clarity of goals before action is taken. When an architect sketches a blueprint, they are not simply drawing walls and windows, they are mapping out how resources will be used, how materials will be sourced, and how time will be managed. Similarly, finance is about structuring pathways for resources, ensuring that every decision aligns with long-term objectives. Consider the foundation of a building. It must be strong, balanced, and capable of supporting everything above it. In finance, the foundation is discipline. Without discipline, resources crumble just as a weak foundation causes collapse. Architects calculate load-bearing capacity while finance professionals calculate capacity for sustainability. Both are acts of foresight. Architecture thrives on proportion, symmetry, and harmony. Finance thrives on balance, allocation, and flow. When a building is designed with natural light in mind, it reduces energy use and enhances well-being. When financial planning is designed with efficiency in mind, it reduces waste and enhances stability. Both disciplines seek harmony between human needs and available resources. Materials in architecture tell stories: stone, wood, glass, steel, each chosen for durability, cost, and aesthetic. Finance too deals with materials, though in abstract form. Time, energy, and human effort are the raw materials of financial planning. Just as architects must choose wisely to avoid excess or fragility, finance requires careful selection of priorities to avoid imbalance. Architecture is not only about building, it is about creating environments where people thrive. Finance is not only about numbers, it is about creating conditions where communities flourish. When a city invests in public spaces, parks, libraries, and cultural centers, it is practicing architectural finance. Resources are directed to structures that elevate collective life. Think of bridges. They connect two sides of a river. They symbolize trust and continuity. Finance builds bridges, two connecting present actions with future outcomes. Every decision today is a step across a bridge toward tomorrow. Architects calculate span and tension. Finance calculates resilience and adaptability. Both are about crossing safely. Architecture also teaches patience. A skyscraper is not built overnight, it requires stages: excavation, foundation, framework, finishing. Finance teaches patience as well. Growth, stability, and sustainability unfold over time. Both disciplines remind us that rushing leads to fragility while steady progress leads to endurance. Sustainability in architecture is about green design, renewable energy, and efficient use of space. Sustainability in finance is about responsible allocation, ethical choices, and long-term vision. Both ask us to think beyond immediate gain and consider future generations. When architects design buildings that breathe with the environment, they echo the financial principle of stewardship. Architecture is collaborative. Engineers, designers, builders, planners all contribute. Finance is collaborative. Two families, communities, organizations all contribute. Both require communication, trust, and shared vision. Without collaboration, structures remain incomplete. Without collaboration, financial plans remain hollow. Architecture inspires imagination. Cathedrals, pyramids, modern towers, each reflects culture and aspiration. Finance inspires imagination. Two dreams of education, travel, innovation, and security. Both disciplines are about turning imagination into reality through structured effort. When we walk through a museum or a library, we are walking through financial architecture. Resources were directed to create spaces of knowledge and culture. When we walk through a well-managed community, we are walking through financial planning. Resources were directed to create stability and opportunity. Architecture teaches us to respect limits. Every material has strength and weakness. Finance teaches us to respect boundaries. Every resource has capacity and constraint. Both remind us that wisdom lies in knowing limits and working within them. Architecture is visible, finance is invisible, yet both shape our lives profoundly. The skyline of a city reflects architectural choices. The rhythm of daily life reflects financial choices. Both are mirrors of human intention. So as we close today, remember that finance is not distant from architecture. It is embedded in every brick, every beam, every corridor. Finance is the unseen architecture of life, guiding how we build not only structures but futures. Thank you for joining this exploration of finance through architecture. Stay tuned for more.